Hello everyone, so this is the second part of question series, and in this video we'll be discussing few more theory based questions. So let us discuss the first question now. So the question is asking about that the maturation of the red blood cells does not depend upon. So this is a very straightforward question, and if we remember that the folic acid, vitamin B12 and the pyridoxine, they all play important role in the maturation of red blood cells. We can easily eliminate option D, that is topopherol. Hence, D is the correct answer. This is a very straightforward fact-based question. So let us discuss one more question now. So this question is asking about that which of the following is not a bacterial disease? And the options are tuberculosis, typhoid, tetanus and smallpox. So first of all, let us have a brief introduction about all the four diseases and then we would reach to the final answer. So talking about tuberculosis, it is a bacterial disease and the causative agent of tuberculosis is Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Talking about typhoid, it is also a bacterial disease and the causative agent is Salmonella typhi. Tetanus is also bacterial and the causative agent is Clostridium tetani. But if we talk about smallpox, it is a viral disease and the causative agent is variola virus. Hence, we can say that D is the correct option because it is asking about that which of the disease is not a bacterial disease. Hence, smallpox, which is a viral disease, is the correct answer. If we want, we can also remember the type of the other three diseases and their causative agents, as they can help us solve any question in the future if asked. So with this, we are done with two more theory based questions, and if you like this video, please do like, share it with your friends and please subscribe to my channel, and I'll be coming up with many more such questions in the future as well. So thank you so much for watching, and till then keep learning.